Yes, good morning. We almost in the London session. Today is the 11th of February 2026. We also in NFP week and CPI week. So it's just a recap. We just gonna go through the setups that we had uh, from Monday, because I've been making sure that I post I share my ideas accordingly. So we're gonna start on the DXY. The DXY, this is our index. As usual, you know what it does. It tracks the strength of the US dollar itself. And also it measures the performance of other instruments, currencies, indices, stocks, bonds, etc. Yes, the DXY, let's go to the DXY. DXY has been weak. It's been pretty weak, you could say. And according to current situation, DXY is just around my potential area of longs. So this is the order block on H4, and you could see it's just reacting within the mean threshold of this order block. That's the 50%. So basically, we have macro events. Today, we have the labor markets. We're waiting for NFP to see if we can determine whether the dollar will be likely to reverse or to gain strength, or will be likely to continue dipping. So NFP is coming out today. South African time, I'll check. Let me see. Let me check the calendar. So this is our Forex factory. You could see Wednesday, yesterday we had retail sales came out negative. It's the reason why the dollar continued to sink, to buy. So the dollar is still actually within the H4 area of demand. So I'm waiting for the job reports to be out. So at exactly 3:30 South African time, we'll be having 3 sets of events, non-farm payroll being the first one. So this is the forecast. Basically, for people who trade fundamentals, we just focus on the forecast, then on the actual. So for the news to be positive, yes, the estimation should be, the actual should be above 66K. Above 66K. So when we happen to get results falling below 66K, then it will be a negative result for the dollar index, and definitely the DXY will continue to drop. So we're hoping to see what might happen. Yes, but the speculators, they say the jobs are likely to increase. According to the previous month, it was 50K. This is 66K. So we have to see that we beat up the current forecast number for the dollar to gain strength. So unemployment rate, yeah, is expected to be stable. So we're gonna still look at this number. If the actual happen to beat this number, it happens to go above, it's gonna be negative. It's gonna be a negative for the dollar if it goes up. So we have to get the actual being below 4.4 so that we can get a positive count for the unemployment rate, and it will be a good thing for the dollar. So average our earnings is still stable. Yeah, so we're just waiting to see what will come up from these NFP related art events that we're having today. It's the only events that we're having today. So when we look at the markets now, you can see dollar has been on the standstill. It's within the H4-hour demand here that I have. So I'm waiting to see gaining if the report come out positive for it, or breaking below this demand, and we shall continue to see what happen. So when we look at, all pairs are within their respective area of supply and demand. As we go to GBP/USD, yesterday I traded, but I scalped this sell. Yeah, I scalped this sell, and you could see the market is not really decided. It's within this area of supply. We're still waiting for the NFP results to be out. Yeah, so it will depend. If NFP happens to be positive for the dollar, this pair has to drop. If happens to be negative for the dollar, this pair has to break this up supply area. Then it will continue up, attacking all this buy side liquidity. Euro USD, we have the same outlook. Euro USD is the same. We're still actually around the area of supply. So NFP is gonna be the one to determine how this pair will move. Gold, still, we are yet to take out this area of a liquidity. We have equal eyes here, and we have our supply areas above on gold. So NFP is the only thing we're waiting. If NFP happens to be positive still for the dollar, the gold has to drop, attacking this area of liquidity below the sell side. If NFP happens to be negative, then it's gonna boost up the value of gold. We're gonna be seeing it, gold hovering above these areas, aiming for these areas of what? Supply. Silver, it's the same outlook, just with gold. Silver, we have the immediate area of supply, and we actually have many areas of supply, and this is being the extreme one, up. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the labor market to release what we've been waiting for. This is the job count that we've been waiting for today. So when we go to stocks, I'm not talking about stocks as in the futures. I'm talking about the indexes, US major indexes like Nasdaq. Nasdaq, you could see, is still bullish. Currently, we just had a break of structure. You could see it's in here. It's still bullish, as you could see. Yeah, and we are actually reacting off of this area of the fair value. Yeah, so basically, yeah, NFP will determine the move, if maybe it will continue to go up, or it will definitely change direction and take out this low. Yes, so BTC, this is my level, my buying level on BTC. I've been analyzing it, waiting for a buy at this level on Bitcoin. My buy level, it was around 64. Yes, so this is what I'm waiting for. Yeah, this is BTC. This is the setup I have on BTC. So I wish you a profitable week, Wednesday. Yeah, have a blessed day.